everyone. A circular pond has a circumference of 280 feet. You're going to install a fence around the pond 7 feet from the water's edge. And you need to know how much fencing to buy. So first we have to explore the relationship between a circle's radius and its circumference by using the circumference formula to fill in the following table. So basically, we know the circumference formula is C equals 2 pi r. So if the radius is 1, you get 2 pi. If it's 2, you get 4 pi, 3, 6 pi. So this would be 6 pi. 2 times 4 would be 8 pi. And 2 times 5 is 10 pi. And the first differences are 2 pi. So based on the table, we're going to make a conjecture about how the circumference of a circle changes with every unit. So basically, for every 1 unit, the radius increases the circumference. So for every 1 unit, it increases the circumference by 2 pi. By 2 pi units. All right? So based off this, we're going to use our conjecture to determine the length of fencing we need to the nearest foot. So we're going to do that. We have the circumference equals 2 pi r. And now we know that our circumference that we already have is 280 equals 2 pi r. So to get r, divide both sides by 2 pi. And be careful when you use a calculator. Make sure you put parentheses on that because pi will multiply by the numerator instead if you don't. So when you do that, you're going to get radius is approximately 44.56. Now what we want to do is add 7 because on the there's your circumference here, and the radius is 44.56, but the fencings get extended by 7 feet out. So we're going out more by 7 feet for the fencing. So basically, you're going to add 7 to this because we're adding plus 7. So when you add plus 7, you're going to get approximately 51.56. So now we're just going to use our circumference formula, and we get circumference equals 2 pi times r, and our r happens to be approximately 51.56. And when you multiply this out, you're going to get 323.98. So we need the amount of fencing, so you're going to round up, and the answer is going to be 324 feet of fencing that we need. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.